Welcome all. To allow two-step verification, you have to first go to Gmail, add your mail account over here, provide your password or the pattern or the finger sensing, write your email ID, enter the password, agree to the terms and policies, and it will complete the process of your account addition. Now to log in, then click on the account list, select your account, and now you are signed in as your account. Now to allow the two-step verification, click on your account, manage your Google account. There is a tab, and if you have already logged in, then also you just click on this manage your Google account. Once you are over here, then simply you will find many tabs like home, personal info. Like this, you will go to the security tab. There you will find a two-step verification. By default it is set to off. To on it, click on it, select Google Chrome, search below, click on get started. First you enter the password, click next. Once verified, it will get the details of your phone. The phone details will come over here. Then click on try it now. Click on yes. Once you have provided your number, click on send. The text message is on. A code has been sent. Open that code. Enter the code over here. It will verify and ask you whether to turn it on or not. Here you will click on turn on. And by this way you will come to see that your number and your phone has been verified. And it will also show you which all other phones you have used your account in. So now the two-step verification is on. To check, you simply click on your account. Again go to manage your Google accounts. Go to the security tab and you will find this two-step verification process is on. Thank you.